Now, before you upload that next short, you need to hear this. What if I told you that those viral shorts everyone's chasing are actually destroying channels from the inside out? While you think you're growing, shorts might be quietly sabotaging your revenue, confusing your audience, and killing your long-term success. But here's something that actually shocked me even more. While everyone's worried about shorts killing their channels, there's actually something else that's already destroyed millions of channels, and most creators don't even realize it's happening. So today, I'm breaking down the 13 reasons why YouTube Shorts are killing your channel, plus I'll reveal the real channel killer that's been hiding in plain sight. Let's go. First up is the brutal truth about money. According to a recent article from Shopify, YouTube Shorts pay between 1 cent to 6 cents per 1,000 views, while long-form videos can earn $1 to $30 per 1,000 views. Now, that's not a typo. You're literally working harder for pennies while long-form creators are making big money. One creator documented his average earnings at $5.50 per 1,000 views for long-form videos versus just 18 cents for shorts. He told industry experts that 1 week of long-form content made more money than an entire month of shorts. But the money problem is just the beginning. It actually gets worse. Shorts viewers aren't your people. They're scrolling, not searching. They're consuming and not engaging. Research shows that Shorts audiences have fleeting attention spans and tend to browse quickly, making it nearly impossible to keep them engaged long term. You're essentially building a house of cards, growing vanity metrics instead of a real community that actually cares about your content. And speaking of your content, you're confusing the algorithm. Now, here's something most creators don't realize. If you have a small channel and you're mixing shorts and long-form content, YouTube's AI gets confused about what your channel is actually about. Creators report having thousands of views on a short, but then their next long-form video gets only a handful of views. You're essentially training the algorithm to serve your content to people who don't want, well, your real content. And if you're a professional who's serious about growing and making money on YouTube, I'm opening up a few calls this week. We'll look at what you're doing now, figure out where you want to be, and map out a clear plan to get you there. Then we'll see if we're a good fit to work together. Now, there's no charge for these calls, but I am very selective about who I work with. So only book a call if you're serious about building a real YouTube business and not just chasing views. I'll put a link below and you can schedule your call. Now let's get on to the next reason shorts are destroying your channel. Number 4, you're destroying attention spans. Every short you create is training your audience to have goldfish level attention spans. The fast-paced, vertical, 60 seconds or less format is literally rewriting your viewers' brains to expect instant gratification. So when you finally create that amazing 20-minute deep dive video that could change someone's life, your shorts audience can't focus long enough to watch it. You're creating an audience that can't appreciate your best work. Now, I get it. You think creating shorts is easier and takes less time. Well, believe it or not, I spend less than 10 hours a week on my channel, and I earn over $20,000 a month from it. And that's not to brag or boast, but I've been there. I've tried the shorts game, I've tried the reels game, and I've tried the TikTok game. Nothing works better than long form, and in my opinion, actually takes less time to create. Next is the music licensing money trap. So if you're using that trending music in your shorts, you're literally giving away half your revenue to record labels. YouTube's official policy states that if you use one music track, half your revenue goes to music listening. Use 2 tracks, you only keep 1/3. You're working for the music industry instead of yourself, but the revenue problems don't stop there. Your subscribers don't actually care about you. A recent study on 250 creators found something really disturbing. Since shorts became popular, there's been a significant decrease in both views and engagement on long-form videos from the same channels. You're building a subscriber base that doesn't watch your real content. These aren't fans, they're just numbers on your dashboard. Here's something most creators don't realize. When you post shorts and long form content on the same channel, they're competing against each other for views. Your audience has limited time and attention. And if they're spending it on your shorts, they're not watching your valuable long form videos. So think about it. When someone subscribes because of a viral short, YouTube starts showing them more of your shorts instead of your in-depth content. You're training the algorithm to serve your least profitable content to your audience. Every short you publish is potentially stealing views from your money-making videos. But here's an even scarier thought. YouTube's push for shorts is just a reaction to TikTok's success. When the next big thing comes along, what happens to your short strategy? You're building your entire business on a trend that could disappear overnight. Smart creators build sustainable businesses, not trend-dependent ones. And speaking of sustainability, you're limiting your creative potential. Trying to fit your expertise into 60-second boxes is like asking Shakespeare to write novels in text messages. Research shows this limitation negatively impacts creativity, experimentation, and depth in content creation. You're essentially dumbing down your knowledge to fit an algorithm instead of showcasing your real expertise. But the damage goes deeper. Sponsors see you as a shorts creator. Brands pay shorts creators bargain basement rates compared to long form creators. And I know that firsthand. Industry data shows that successful shorts creators are often faceless channels designed specifically for short form content and not established experts like you. You're positioning yourself in the bargain bin when you should be commanding premium rates for your expertise. Next, you're destroying your watch time. Watch hours from shorts don't count toward the 4,000 hour requirement for monetization. Plus, low average view duration from shorts negatively impacts your channel's overall performance. You're working against YouTube's most important ranking factor, watch time. But the skills damage might be permanent. You're forgetting how to make real content. Creator Lord Draconical, I hope I pronounced that right, put it perfectly. As shorts become more important, people's retention on long-form content is dropping, and it's a real shame. You're becoming a content assembly line worker instead of a creator. Your storytelling skills, your ability to go deep on topics, your expertise, it all starts to shrink when you focus on shorts. Your content becomes impossible to find. Shorts are designed for swipe-based discovery, not search. When someone has a problem you can solve and they search YouTube for answers, your shorts might show up, but they're going to be buried with the other long-form content. You're invisible when it matters most, when people actually need your help and are willing to pay for solutions. But here's the thing, while everyone's worried about shorts killing their channel, and yes, they can do damage if you don't do it the right way, there's something that's already destroyed millions of channels, and that is inconsistency. At the time of this recording, of over 37 million YouTube channels, only 22,000 have over 1 million subscribers. That's a 0.6 success rate. The biggest reason channels fail isn't shorts, it's giving up too early and not posting consistently. Most successful channels post at least once a week. While you're worried about shorts destroying your channel, inconsistency is the silent assassin that's already killing it. Now that you know why shorts can be dangerous for your channel, you're probably wondering, well, what's the alternative? How do successful creators actually make money on YouTube beyond just ad revenue? Well, I got you covered. I recently did a video on the 7 different ways that you can make money from your YouTube channel. I'll make sure to put a link up here so you guys can check it out, because I'm sure there's definitely a couple ideas in there that you're not aware of. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.